So this is 100,000 BTU, 90 plus Goodman manufacturing. It's got their recuperative coil, if you can see it down there. Anyway, this has got splits on it. Right there. So there's 1, 2, and you can feel them. Sometimes they just look like scratches, but you can feel these. And yeah, so that one's coming open. So they split at the top, right where the burners go into the heat exchanger. It's usually where they like to split. But yeah, found 2. And 90 plus furnaces, especially propane, if they're not burning perfectly, those recuperative coils plug up down there, and just pretty sad. But I guess it is an older furnace, so. But that is where it was splitting. Kind of an odd place, because they just hemmed didn't have any rivets in it. They just hemmed it for the seam, and yet it still split right about where the burner would end. Oh, look at that. It's actually split on both sides. Split right down the top. Oh yeah, every one of these is split. Yeah, so they all split about where the flame shoots in and ends is about where they split. This has what they call in-shot burners, and they about as far as they shoot that flame in there, or as far as you can see anyway. So yeah, you can see that was probably the hottest point. So interesting. No rivets, no welds, but they just split on a middle of kind of nowhere, really. Every single one of the heat exchangers, and some of them on both sides. Anyway, interesting.